Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to add a mod to Curseforge. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To add a mod to Curseforge, follow these steps. Sign into your Curseforge account using your credentials. In the top right corner, click on your profile name and choose Dashboard. This action will direct you to your project dashboard. Click on Project in the left corner, then select the Start Project to initiate a new mod project. Choose the game for which you intend to create a mod. Curseforge supports a variety of games, including Minecraft, and then choose your preferred category, such as mods. Input details about your mod, including the project name, version, and a brief description. Adhere to any guidelines or instructions provided for the specific game. Upload the mod files related to your project encompassing the mod itself, resource packs, or any other necessary files. Supplement additional project information such as categories, tags, and any pertinent details that can assist users in discovering and comprehending your mod. Define permissions and licensing specifications for your mod. This is crucial for users to understand how they can utilize and distribute your creation. Finally, after completing all necessary information and uploading the requisite files, click on the Start Project button to make your project visible to the Curseforge community. And that concludes the process of adding a mod on Curseforge. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.